Hi guys, this here is a birthday box for 50 euros and I'll show you what's in it. A card. And then, I know it's early, but they are super cute. Gingerbread. This here is Coco Loco. Yolk. Belgian chocolate. Coconut, cinnamon rolls. Ooh. There is a lavender breeze, the cleaning stuff. A few vanilla donuts, burnt vanilla. They smell great. One little Halloween scarlet, looks super cool. I like it. And 1 million Paco Rabanne and Davidoff cool water and a few raspberry stars because everybody likes raspberry and cupcake, chocolate chip cookie, they're really good. This here is a mix of lemongrass and lemon and lime. A Karma Snap bar and fresh on oh no, it's very soft. This is very soft. Washing powder and a few baby powder faces. And because it's a new customer, she's not a customer, she's the birthday girl, but she doesn't know me, so I sent her a sample pack. Small one. Lots of variety. And there is something else. A happy birthday instant birthday cake. Really good, really sweet. Like a little bit like with pistachio. Okay, now we wrap it up. And here it is. Wrapped nicely. I hope she likes it. Happy birthday. This is going to County Kildare now.